But it's time for us to talk with a good friend of ours. We've met this person several different times. He's from Valley View Medical Clinic. It is Andrew Reinhardt. Hey, Andrew, how are you?
I am doing well. How are you today?
We are doing great. We want to tell everybody about what Valley View Medical Clinic over in Pleasant Hill specializes in.
Well, we specialize in a sensitive topic for men. It is erectile dysfunction. But here's the thing. We're taking all of the negatives out of treating ED. We have a major medical advancement. It's called acoustic wave therapy. This technology puts out pressure waves that open up and regrow blood vessels. We've helped a lot of guys get rid of the erectile dysfunction, the need to take the pill, and get the spontaneity restored in the bedroom.
Now, you mentioned it's a sensitive subject, and we're going to address that right now because some guys are saying, oh, I don't want to talk about this. They don't want to address it. What about confidentiality about people that go to Valley View Medical Clinic to be treated?
Our patients tell us time and time again, this process was so much more comfortable than I thought. It's a discreet and confidential environment. You'll meet with our male medical provider, and keep in mind, a treatment is only 10 minutes. There's no recovery time.
How about that? You said that it uses those acoustic waves. And what are the waves exactly doing in this case?
Well, it goes through the skin into the blood vessels, similar to breaking down a muscle in the gym. We're building blood vessels up stronger. Now, you don't feel it. There's no pain, simply more blood flow. That is what erectile dysfunction is, after all, a lack of blood flow.
That's amazing. And so there's no pain. So and the thing that's really important to a lot of people, there's no needles involved with this, are there?
There's no needles. When a man takes the pill for his ED, it stops working, and often he'll go to injections. This is not invasive. There's no chemicals involved. You'll be amazed what can happen in the bedroom when we repair those blood vessels and get your blood flowing properly.
All right, let's talk about repairing those blood vessels. How many treatments does someone need to have in order to start seeing a difference?
Cambridge University tested this exact question with our technology. They said the average guy needs a few short 10-minute sessions over about 2 to 3 weeks. That is it. That'd be the whole process.
Really? Oh, I didn't realize the results would happen that quickly. But what about after the first treatment? Are we able to see any kind of changes after the first treatment?
Most patients do, yes. They report that the blood is flowing better in the bedroom after the first one, and it progressively gets better. A lot of patients like to come in even too frequently because it's a fun process.
Okay, well, yeah, especially when you know the end result, because I think that's just it. Because once you get over, what some people might have a problem coming in the first place, you get over that, that little bit of a barrier. You realize, hey, this is helping, and this can really make a difference. And it isn't just a difference physically; it's a difference emotionally too, isn't it?
Absolutely. Erectile dysfunction has a ripple effect on intimacy, the relationship, even overall happiness. And when we get it fixed, men don't have to rely on the pill. Absolutely, this improves emotionally, mentally, and physically.
All right, now it's really important too that you do get the treatment that you are looking for at the right place. This is the right place. The thing that's even neater is that you have a very special offer right now. We want guys to pay attention to. Tell everybody what you have.
We certainly do. If you're ready to regain your love life, we are giving away quite a bit this morning. Call us now. The assessment exam and blood flow ultrasound with our medical provider will be free. You'll also get a gift that produces immediate and powerful results in the bedroom. Hundreds of dollars here in this package, but it's free to those that call during this segment.
All right, and in case you're wondering where Valley View Medical Clinic is located, it's in Pleasant Hill. We said in the Des Moines area, it is in Pleasant Hill, and everybody's familiar where the bypass and University intersect. It's about a block east of that intersection at the first stoplight over on the north side of the road, so it really is easy to get to and easy to get on and off the freeway there, the bypass, and get to where you're going. And you said it only takes 10 minutes, is that right, for a treatment?
That's right. A treatment is 10 minutes. In fact, we call it the lunch break treatment. You can come on your lunch break and leave feeling totally normal.
All right. Give everybody the phone number where they can give you guys a call and make an appointment and start things moving in the right direction.
Call us now to claim that offer. Get rid of the erectile dysfunction. It's 515-300-5555.
All right, 515-300-5555. 55. You want to check out more information, valleyviewmedicalclinic.com on the internet. You can find out there and get a little map to show you exactly where you are located. Andrew, great job as always, and we look forward to talking to you next time.
Thanks for having me.